when I told them about it, they were like, what? They were like, what's a virtual field trip? What does that mean? Do we do it online? I'm like, yeah, we'll have a camera. You'll be able to see them. They'll be able to see us. And they were so excited. They thought it was so cool that someone could be in a totally different place than us, still be able to be on our board and teach them something and actually interact in real time. One of the sections it showed that he did, it was a bedroom, and you were supposed to find all the different things that were going on that was using energy. And a couple of them pointed out the game system, the iPad, and I think the other one was sleeping with a lamp on or a nightlight on. But then they kind of understood that, hey, it's actually using electrical energy, which is in turn, causing the power bill to go up. I liked being able to actually participate myself, first of all. I mean, Grant did an awesome job presenting, but being able to actually interact, call on them to answer, and kind of be part of it, I like that. I really like the little kits that they sent, because we went over those, I opened them up, we talked about them. Oh, definitely. I loved it. And the kid, like I said, the kids, as soon as it was connected, they were focused, they were paying attention, and that's one way to get their attention, especially if you involve technology. But they were excited about that.